So hey guys, this is Young256. With me everything is possible. You're going to forgive me with my microphone. I have issues with my microphone, so let's just do it like this. Let me hope you're hearing me. Today we are going to solve this issue of access to the path C program data vmix video.txt is denied. So guys, I remember last year I did a video like this, but it was taken down by YouTube. So let me give you a disclaimer, guys. Please, disclaimer, this video is just for study purpose. We are just teaching people how to solve some issues. Yeah, so guys, let's dive into the video. But before we do that, remember to subscribe. And guys, I want to test my app. If you want to help me test the app, please send me your email on my email so that I add you in the testers. You help me test the app. Let's dive into the video. Let's first close our vmix. You can just right click. Okay, we've closed it. So let me open it so that you guys see that the error is there. So this is it. So this error comes. So guys, it is very easy to solve this thing. Let's first close the whole vmix. So guys, you're going to open your file, then you go to local disk C, this. Okay, first come to view. So make sure you've ticked the hidden items, because when you don't tick it, you won't see what I want you to see here. So you tick it, hidden items. When you tick it, come to program data. When you come to program data, you scroll down, vmix. Guys, this video is for study purpose. Please remember to subscribe. So you may find these. Okay, this solution is going to help you. Just follow it. Or you may not find any text like this. So when you find something like this, you're going to grab and delete. Okay, delete. Then also come to your recycle bin, empty the recycle bin. Make sure you've deleted everything of it. So after deleting it, okay, let's create a new, and then we create a new text document. Call it video. Okay, so we call it video. We are going to cut this text file. We come back to our local disk C, program data, then scroll to vmix, then we paste it. Okay, so guys, remember to subscribe, don't forget. Refresh. Let's open our vmix and see. Okay, so guys, boom, the solution is solved. So every time you face this problem, just do that. It will help you. Someone came in my inbox and requested me to do almost every era of vmix. So I'm going to drop new videos of vmix. Please remember to subscribe and like this video, guys. Please like the video, share it to a friend. The more you like, the more you comment, the more I do more videos, and the more these videos go wider. Let me repeat this process again. Let me repeat it for my slow learners. Being a slow learner is not bad, guys. So let's continue. I repeat the steps, but this time I'm repeating them slowly. You may find this option again. Okay, so let's imagine you come to, let's imagine, uh, please follow, guys. Let's imagine you don't find these files, delete them. Let's imagine you don't find them. Okay, so if you don't find them and then you open it, why I want you to watch, just that it's still reading. But let us imagine you don't find them. When you don't find them, just close your vmix, and still you're facing this error. We are still on this error. Let me see, this is option 2. Method 1 is done. Yeah, if you want, you can stop on method 1. Still, this is another method again. So let's say you don't find them. Come to file, this PC, disk C, local disk C. Make sure you come on view and you find hidden items ticked. Okay, come to program data, then scroll down, come to vmix. Okay, you find here many. If you find this, make sure you delete all of them. Okay, then come create new. Okay, and I'm also going to do a video of how to solve these errors permanently. Okay, remember this video is for study purpose. So you create your text, cut it, come to your files, local disk C, okay, program data, and then paste it there. It has to be one file that is called video. I'll do another video of this, but remember we're going to do this step by step, step by step, step by step. Okay, thank you so much. With that, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's try to find it. It is called Young 256. Oh, I've not turned on my internet. But guys, we open our vMix, it's working. Okay, yeah, this is the vMix while it's sorted. So let me turn on my internet so that if you have any question, you can drop it in the inbox, sorry, down in the comment section, and remember to share. So I've closed I've opened my internet, Young 256. Guys, this is my YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe, guys, please. At least I want this year to end when at least I've made 3K. It is small, guys. Help me out. I promise I'm going to deliver content almost every week, every week, every week. Any question you tag me, I'll make sure I answer. I do a video on it. And you remember me, I don't work for the high end. I help the slow learners. I help the what? So guys, help me, help me, help me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I also have a gaming channel, guys. The gaming channel is called, let me show you here. Let me show you here. It is called Young X Gaming. Guys, please go to my gaming channel and subscribe. It's called Young X Gaming. Guys, subscribe. I bring different games here. Okay, this is our gaming channel. Please, guys, subscribe. At least I want to make 1K before this year ends on this gaming channel, guys. Help me, help me, help me out. With that, I say thank you so much. Why don't I sign out, guys? Yeah, I sign out. Thank you. Chip, chip. Okay.